All right, guys, we're coming to you from the shop today, so you may get a little active business behind us. We're just going to roll on through it. Today we're taking a closer look at Z1's Turbosmart packaged kit. This focuses really on the VeePort Pro blow-off valve. This is in their BOV 5 generation of valves, which is a very slick device, and I would say punches way out of its weight. These are for your Infiniti Q50 or Q60 equipped with a 3.0T. So as you know, if you go off the factory, they actually don't have any device to help protect the turbo and give you quick response and effect of like shutting it down. As you start to upgrade Qs, this becomes very evident as the delayed throttle closure that they chose to program in rather than using a device like a recirc valve or a blow-off valve from the factory can make the driver's experience scary. I know I've been in scenarios early on with those models before we had the ability to dial throttle closure quickly, where you would have a vehicle brake traction in second or third gear and you're pedaling it to try and get, control of the vehicle, and it just keeps boosting away, for maybe at least 1 second plus. It usually feels like 5 seconds or an eternity when you're staring at a light pole or a fence or oncoming vehicle, the ditch, mailbox, whatever. Getting control of the vehicle, definitely a key thing when you're so able to get power out of them. So we have options on the market to add a bolt-on kit to your vehicle. You will need to supplement it with a tune as well so that you can dial in the throttle closure. But the thing that's really nice about the VeePort Pro is it's a really slick kit. The machine work is very high quality. The kits are basically toolless serviceable, so if you have one for years and you decide you want to do a maintenance on it, check up on it, clean it, you just pull it off the vehicle, toolless like that. You can take it apart, pull the piston out, you can clean this if you'd like. It's nice they use a replaceable seal on this part in the housing. So this features a 38mm piston. So each one of these valves can support up to about 600 horsepower in the terms of flow rate coming off of a turbo, while still keeping your system safe. They operate pretty quiet as well compared to any other offering on the market, so extremely subtle or refined if you're looking to stay under the radar, not draw attention to yourself as you're out there hooning like the fine gentleman you are, then the VeePort Pro actually may be the best option for you. If you guys have questions about this or any of our other products, feel free to reach out to our team, info@z1motorsports.com, or give us a call. We keep these on the shelf and ready to go.